Hello and welcome to Process Industry Chronicle magazine. We feel honored to introduce Mr. Amit Shah, who is founder and chairman of Esquire Drug House, a pharmaceutical company situated at GID Vadhavan city, which falls in the vicinity of Surendranagar district, around about 120-130 kilometers from Ahmedabad district. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I request you to kindly tell how you got an idea of starting this company, Esquire Drug House, and what was the main reason behind making this company, sir?
I was a successful medical representative and my company was earning very good. But I found certain things which were not going proper. And I feel that if I can manage, these industries can develop very nicely. That is why I have decided to go in this particular sector.
Right, sir. And because you are about 74, 75 years of age, and you have a huge experience, sir. Actually, you graduated at a time when people were actually illiterate in India. In 1968-69. So how come actually you thought of taking such a high education at that point of time? Was it the compulsion of your family or it was the need of the hour, sir?
My family is totally educated. My big brother is MS Ophthalmology. He was first in Surendranagar district. Then my second brother is a diploma in civil engineering. He is now well set in Bombay. Third, myself. Fourth, my brother, he is looking after my big business house, Mahavir Agency, where we are having 72 companies agency. And my fifth brother is also a BSc and approved chemist in pharmaceutical.
So, I mean, everybody is, nicely and highly.
Is also BSc. My sister is also BSc. In short, we are related to science. All family is much more interested in science and scientific subject.
So you are involved in so many bodies also. Actually, you have a very long experience. What all your company makes, sir? What are the products and services which are offered by your company, sir? Actually, Esquire Drug House. Can you explain, sir?
Once when I was medical representative, my boss was foreign return. He was first graduate of first batch of LMCP college in Gujarat. And in foreign, his boss has told that go for pharmaceutical, particularly in liquid department, for pediatric product. That means that product are 100% sellable. There will be no cut. And second thing, in any condition, people will take care of their children. That is why very big market in pharmaceutical, that is pediatric range. And I have started my unit with pediatric range.
Right, sir. So, and what are the medicines? Can you name few medicines that you manufacture, sir? And
I am my maximum products are anti-cold, antipyretic, ibuprofen, or para with so many combination. Secondly, I am going for unique product. Suppose in 1980, approximately 1980-85, there was very few manufacturers for promethazine syrup without alcohol. At that time, I had started my promethazine processed syrup without alcohol. Then I had started promethazine with paracetamol. In that product also I was probably first, I was in first 5 in Gujarat. Then I have introduced so many unique products, just like hydroxyzine and hydrochloride syrup drop. Nowadays very few companies are in this particular formula. Recently I have introduced cetirizine drops. Only my one competitor is known to me, that is Dr. Reddy. And then after I am not knowing to any other competitor. That means we may be in first 5 in India.
Right. So you said that you were making one syrup which was alcohol-less. And that was a long time back, actually. So,
At that time, alcohol was very common in a liquid product, but it was harmful to children, and without alcohol, that was demand from medical profession, and we have started without alcohol. Almost all products are without alcohol.
so as you said that you were actually few among the people who actually started producing that syrup without alcohol. So how you came up with an idea? Was it not taking a lot of risk actually in the market, because whether the market is going to accept the syrup without alcohol, whether doctors are going to prescribe it or not? I mean, it would have taken a lot of strength and a lot of persuasion to convince doctors also that no, this syrup also works.
It was easy to convince because majority of Indian people don't want alcohol. And if we can produce without alcohol, then it will be accepted. That was my confidence.
And you said actually you developed few more unique products actually. So, I mean, you actually on what philosophy you're actually working actually? Because I think you're not working on profit motive. You're working on something else. And that is the reason you're coming out with the products which are, alcohol-less, and few other products which are actually highly competent and highly actually advisable in the market to the general public also. So, what is your philosophy behind actually starting this company?
Our product must be unique, so we can have a reputation in pharmaceutical sector. Secondly, unique product will get market immediately. Competitor will be less. And I am getting this unique product from my certain books where they give list of almost all products. And that book, when I find a particular product only one or two competitors, then I advise my production department to find out the system of manufacturing.
And you are also actually, been working, actually you have been associated with RSS also, from Rotary Club also. You are the actually head of the Rotary Club also, and you are also head of Surendranagar GIDC, I think. So, being actually doing so much social welfare also. So, do you get ample of time for your family people and for your friends actually?
We RSS people generally awake at 5. Then our almost all routine work we can finish before 7. And we can attend our factory regularly in time. And then we can get time, we can spare time for other activities because we are having enough time to work.
So do you have time to spend with your family and friends, sir?
Definitely. In Rotary, we have so many activities where my family was also associated with me. And even today, I am going for outing, that picnic or a tour. I have seen almost all Indian hill stations. I have visited Kerala, UP, most of UP center, MP, with family.
So actually you were also the councillor here actually in Vadhavan city. So what were the things that you had done actually being the councillor?
I was municipal councillor in Vadhavan in 1970 to 75. Meanwhile, I was chairman of Garden and Civilization